I do too. Look, long time. Why? It don't let you know shit with your girl. You fucking dummy. I know more than you know. What do you know? What? Look, boo, you gonna take it down here.
That's smart.
Who the fuck you at? You don't know what the dick is. Hang your dick on you over here. Hang that fucking stuff. What? It's supposed to take to a fucking story. You still don't fucking know. You still don't fucking know what dick is. They don't give you shit down here. You still don't fucking know. Fucking dummy. You think if we go sit around and let you be the fucking girl, you got a dick on us? Shut your dumb ass down. You know what a fucking dick is. With some cartilage. It's already been over with you fucking dummies. The whole world has got cartilage in the fucking thing. Now what you know about dick now? Oh, wait a minute. I thought you boys knew. I thought you knew it was just in front of us, you fucking dummy. The damn thing attached to you with some cartilage. Now you all know what a dick is. Am I right? Oh, now you don't know. Now you don't know what it is? Oh, you're finished. Why? Because you got beat. What's a vagina? Do you know? Okay. Do you know what a pussy is? Don't even try, because if you did that, makes them know. It's you who does it, makes them know. Why? Because they go, don't say it for the kids, that's you who does it. Why? We're kids. When someone says don't say something to us in front of them, we do it ourselves. You get them now. You're nasty now. You know what it was. This girl will know more than you will ever know. Why? Because now she knows there's something to think about. Because you said, shh. You don't know how to treat kids. You don't know how to raise no one. Not no kid at all. You still know what a penis is. Sitting there, they got to go book this up. Oh no, it's a man and a girl. With all this big old thing on me. You still don't know what it is. Your boy's been out since day started. You said cartilage and you're down. And none of us got the goddamn
The latest fight is that she's trying to get him to write it.
Oh no, no, wrong man, don't know what the fuck is different. They say power is actually been down. The girl still acting like she's fucking down. Come on, give us a try.
Oh, you got to give it to your dad.
Oh no, but you don't know.
She said, oh, she better do better last time.
Oh no, but you're you fucking things make us laugh. I went to the have you heard that? There's nothing to someone got did out there. You're fucking dumb. You're annoying something good, you know what else you're fucking up. Fucking dumb. You're fucking dumb, you think you know something. You're doing something that you know what you're fucking know that. You go to those girls, no, and you don't even know what your penis is. What you do with your penis, they know what you fucking know what that thing is. Fucking no. You gotta know what shit. Girls in their lap, that's I'll tell you, all your boys just don't know what they are. Wow. Because from where they stand, they can't see from the fucking backwards. You fucking don't know shit. They don't know nothing. They don't know nothing about that thing at all. When they're sitting out, they don't know. They can't know that it is. Why? They can't look into the hole themselves. Fucking dummies. They can't see into the hole.
artist look at his whole show. Yeah. So then we just show him highlights from with them.
You know what? How many boys did they do? It's massive.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like semi-political, some of those things are one. Why? Well, prostitutes are idiot. You cut them off, remember that? All you know is that's Captain Singapore. You still don't know. That's why I know all those so take the white boyfriend, all the white boys are going out. And that young shit. Okay, that's what the thing yesterday. You men don't know what kind of people are freaking dummies, you know. Everyone that came out this big, they said cut it off, and they had one themselves. And the person in the walking line told me they're supposed to be a bull one. Now you know what country for a fucking penis. Give them out.
Okay, party people going places on the 3 train. Bye-byes.